Consider the statement s is equal to 5 plus 10. Now if I write print s, you get the answer 15 in the computer's monitor. You can see the answer, run the program F5. You get the answer 15. Now suppose if I write s is equal to string 11 plus string AB, and if I write print s, what answer will you get? You save the file, Control S, run the program F5. So you can see 11 and AB, they are placed together. The meaning is along with the string plus acts as the concatenation operator. What is concatenation? Placing the strings together. And along with integers plus acts as the addition operator. So one operator has different meanings in different situations. Along with integer addition, along with the string concatenation operator. And this property of Python is known by the name operator overloading. Operator overloading. Now one more example. Instead of plus, let me make use of star. Here also, instead of plus, let me make use of star followed by 3. You save your file. Now in Python, star is the multiplication operator. So along with integers, it acts as the multiplication operator. You get the answer 50. Now along with the string, star acts as the repetition operator. So this string will be repeated 3 times. So this is also an example for operator overloading. Star has different meanings in different situations. Now if you run the program, an error is there because Python does not understand this. You can see the error. Okay, so you should instruct Python, no need to read this statement. So how can you instruct Python? Make it a comment. How do you make it a comment? Insert a hash at the beginning. So hash means the statement is made a comment. So Python will not read the statement anymore. Save the file, Control S, run the program F5. So 5 into 10, 50, multiplication operator. Now in the second statement, star acts as a repetition operator. The string 11 is repeated 3 times. So this is also an example for operator overloading. Now the next term is polymorphism. Polymorphism means one thing in many forms. The operator star exists in many forms. This is multiplication, this is repetition operator. So operator overloading is always an example for polymorphism. And the last point that you need to make a note of, static binding, dynamic binding. Now when you run the program, at this point of time, variable s points to an integer, and at this point of time, variable s points to a string. So type of data that variable s points to is decided at a runtime. So we can say that Python is an example for a dynamically typed language. The word dynamic means decision is taken at a runtime. Only when you run the program, Python interpreter decides here variable s points to an integer and here variable s points to a string. There are certain programming languages, for example C, C++, Java, they are statically typed languages. Before you run the program, the type of data that a variable can contain, it is fixed, it is decided. So C, C++, Java, they are statically typed language. When you run the program, you cannot change the type of data like this, whereas Python is a dynamically typed programming language.